Okay, bro. Thank you. Let's go.
Are you going to school in the Yeah. Where you will sit?
Here, Inday.
Susunod na lang dun si Kuya.
Oo, sabi.
Window.
Ha?
And window.
Ang window.
Window. Oh, it's hot. It's hot.
Do you have waters, Lovey?
I have one.
Oh, papunta na raw si Marisa doon. Biyahe na ako.
Ah, sige.
Do you need another one, Lovey?
Is there one there?
No, but I can go back inside.
No,
and get
no, no. There's one here, but it's been out here, sir.
it. I mean, it's still good. It's just warm.
What's gonna be?
I got it. I have one here.
Ah.
I have one here.
Alright. Good boy. Ha?
Hindi na kasha.
Hindi, dito. Dito sa akin. Doon.
Ay, sorry.
Ah, Marisa. So yan, day 2 namin mga pare, manonood kami ng sine. Kaya, ako kung ilang sine papanoorin namin, ilang movie pala. Oh, close?
Bigat. Ay. Mali.
Oh, maraming tao ngayon. Ah, dito na sila.
Five adults and
Hi, Mark.
five
Oh,
adults,
galing.
two.
So yun. So, panoorin namin, Toy Story. Kung mapalabas ito nga ba? Ito, Toy Story, oh. Toy Story 5. Ganda rin to. Moana. Oh. Minions, meron na rin. So Tuesday ngayon mga pare, ewan ko kung magkano. Short, short. Lawang short. What's our first movie, Tita? Minions? Our first movie?
Minions is first.
Oh, yeah.
3 o'clock will be Toy Story. And then they will meet us for dinner at SPC.
Oh, look, we have
Loob, mga pa. Nice.
We might
Oh. Sakto naman. Mamaya na lang kakain, di pa nga kami umano.
Kakakain ko lang.
Kami hindi pa kami kumain. Bilan mo ng ano yun.
beef chicken and green
Saan yun ito? Sandwich? Oh. Fried chicken sandwich. So yan, popcorn mga paro. Laki. Straw and then cover and die.
Ako mga egg.
Both mix, what is this? Coke. Original taste. Let's go. So yun, pasok na kami mga par. So si Matt ay hindi nakasama dahil may work. Si Tito Dave hindi mahilig sa movie.
I know it was in the car.
Eh, forgot your phone, Tita?
Yeah, feel how hot it is. From sitting in
Oh,
the car.
yeah.
91 degrees.
Bawa na oh.
32.
Sisimula yung ano. It's okay. Oh. Ayun, 3D glasses, mami? Ayaw mo? Isa na ba? Tapos na yung first movie mga par na Minions. Basta kami. May papanoorin pa kami. Sa washroom na mga par. Ay, may Moana rin pa.
Oh, dito picture tayo.
Ito rin mga para, ito. Toy Story 5. Oh, mayroon pa plang Spider-Man. Oh. Picture ka dyan, Inday? Oh, picture. Wala, Spider-Man.
James, send mo sa akin yung video. Video? Yung in-advance mo.
Lin.
Oh,
Now Nana gets to have her pasalubong.
hey, how about me? Hey, go.
Pasalubong from me. You know, the official Canada team.
Dami. Oh, mayroon pa silang mga ganito mga par. Example. Oh. Oh.
Oh, wait, no. I'm gonna eat cotton candy.
You gonna eat what?
Now we're at the next movie.
Hey.
Four.
4 plus.
Six, 18.
18.
These are good. How many? Okay. So that's 18, 20, 23. Orange.
Oh, just, ano yun lang?
What is that? How many?
23.
39? 29. That's within 6. 35.
What is that done? Take 5. 5. Ayan. Tiramisu 5. 5 yan, 5.
Okay, so you need 7 more.
7 more. Ano yun? Done? 50? So meron pa sila rito mga ano yata. Kung gusto nyo na konti lang, ayaw nyo ng ganun karami. 2 for 22. So ito, mamimili lang kayo ng praso ba? Ito nakalagay 150 grams mga par. So ano pang 8 or 10 piraso. So yan, pakalawang movie mga pa. Balik na kami doon sa Cineplex. Excuse me. Tala kami ng Dollarama mga par para bumili ng mga artwork tinday para may pagkakabalahan sa itong summer. Mga drawing mga para hindi laging cellphone tsaka TV. So para may papagawa tayo and then ano natin siya sa park. Yeah.
Baka hindi lang makabili.
Init. Ngayon kasi mga par 36. Oh, feels like 42, tita. Tapos na yung Toy Story 5 mga par. Maganda rin. Toy Story 5. Toy Story 5. Oh. Ayun, tapos na yung dalawang movie namin mo. Tapos na yung dalawang movie mga par. Sa kaming food court. Di-dinner kami.
Never baked one, but I want to try. Have you're already a baked cookie. Look my hand.
Here's the news. You gotta wipe everything down.
And we're not
Get the balloon, the big pack of lights. Order na kami ng pagkain mo pa. Combo, ano ba ito? Combo 3.
fried rice. Kuya, ito sabi mo masarap?
Oh, yan, masarap din yun.
Oh, yeah, mami. Ganyan na lang. Oh, bad chicken.
Probably the combo. What are you gonna get? So chili pepper shrimp.
Yeah. chicken is inside the...
Let's see how spicy the noodles are, dear son.
Yeah. Spicy, tita?
You have shellfish?
Yeah, I have shellfish.
I have to give you some with the spoon. So I make a mess. What do you think?
Not that.
This one is very spicy. Here. Some sweet potato. Yum. We saw Toy Story 5 and Minions. Evan cried at the end of Toy Story. Did you try the potato?
Good, tita.
I like the spice.
Ano na yun? Punta naman kaming Baskin Robbins mga par para bumili ng ice cream. Ganda, pampaano na. Tanggal ng umay eh. Sungit eh. Baskin Robbins. Ayun, matamis mga par. Kami pag kumakain kami mga par, misis to hati kami palagi. Kasi hindi naman ako masyado sa ano. Oh, si Inday. Uy, ba't mo dito nilagay? Dapat sa ano?
Huh?
Mahirap. No, we're sharing, bro. Ay. Dapat sa ano, cup, mahirap na. Tutulong eh. Okay.
Anything else for you today? Just some ice cream? Sure, I'll pack it. Thank you so much. All right, so we'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna play some Among Us.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night. See you.
So what's the plan tomorrow?
Bye, Kirsten.
Any plans? Do we have plans tomorrow?
Not that I know of yet.
Or we need to schedule our
Yeah. I told Kevin
late.
that my bed is big enough to go through. That's right there.
Paano ka nag-vlog ka? Ayan.
Halika na. Oh, me, dali mo yung food,
Uy, it's open.
Lovey.
Tito Mark,
Yes?
it's open.
Oh no.
I blame it to Evan. What did I do?
So yun, dito na kami sa bahay mga parno. And ito yung day 2. Paano kaming maglakad-lakad. So next vlog na lang natin yun mga parno. So maraming salamat sa pagsama. Mag-enjoy ngayon summer mga par. God be all the glory. And we'll see you in my next one. Bye!